Hello everyone! So today we're going to study the back sounds of the American accent. That's right. And by back, it means that you have to produce these sounds with the back part of your mouth. That's right. The first sound is ooh, ooh. Okay, so it is like this. And the examples are to, new, blue. So Americans don't say, for example, New York City. They say New York City. That's right. Now let me give you another sentence example. That's right. If you have a bad mood, dude, then eat some food. That's right. Okay, and the next sound is oh. Repeat after me. Oh. That's right. Now let me give you some examples. Good, look, took. I look good because I took the book of good looks. That's right. So if you want to look good, then you have to read the book of good looks. That's right. Okay. And another American back sound. What? Another sound which you can produce with the help of the back part of your mouth is ah. Ah. It's not ah, it's not oo, it's not oo, but it's ah, like mixing all of them together. Ah. Ah. Now let me give you some examples. Saw, law, draw. I can draw the claw and make a new law. Yes, that's right. Okay, and the last sound is I. That's right. So, let me give you some examples. Time, nine, fine. And another sentence example. This time, it will be fine if it will be number 9. 9 is a lucky number. Maybe for you. Not for me. I don't believe in superstitions. Come on, boy. Okay, so if you like this video, then please share and comment. See you until next time. That's right.